Hello, my name is Jim Hoodelbrink. I'm here at the Draper booth C7000 at the InfoComm 2026 show. And we are showing our brand new product, the UFS Lite, Ultimate Folding Screen Light. You are looking at an 8-foot wide version of it. We offer it in 3 sizes, 6-foot wide, 8-foot wide, and 9-foot wide in 16:9 ratio. It is primarily a rental and staging type of product, so you can use this product and rent it for breakout rooms in place of tripod screens. It is very versatile. The legs are included in it, and it is height adjustable. It offers 4 inches of height adjustment on the 3 products. If you don't use the height, you can fit it in an 8-foot or 9-foot ceiling. If that's not an issue, you can raise it up higher for better audience participation. It does come in 2 different case choices. You could store it in a fold-down posture in a fabric case. That's best if it's going to stay in a particular hotel and move from room to room. If you need to ship it on an LTL carrier, it also could be put into a hard case and shipped and supported and be safer that way. So it's a very versatile product. You could also roll up the surface in storage. That way you avoid the fold lines if that's a problem for you. Otherwise, the versatility gives you some great flexibility in terms of using it for a customer where a tripod screen could not be used with ultra short throw projection. This product can be used with all kinds of projectors. The frame is extremely durable. It's an 1.25" tube strength with reinforced hinges and gliding feet, so there is no more rubber feet for chattering. It makes it a much easier product to move around as you fully assembled it. And you can also fold the legs down only to make it easier for you to snap the surface on. You don't have to get on the ground to snap the surface on. If you would like more detail, please come by Draper or see Draper at draperinc.com. Thank you.